Hi SmartSuite community, this is Peter Novosel, SmartSuite CTO, and I want to take you through some of the exciting new updates we have to our dashboard settings controls. So here we are looking at a dashboard, and the first thing that I'm going to do is show you that there is now a View Settings option in the drop-down menu. When I click that, you can see that it's opening and closing a right-hand side panel where you're going to do all of your dashboard configuration. This config panel has some exciting options too. So let's step through them. Here are the general options. Give you the ability to title your dashboard. You can optionally give it a description. You'll see it start to type here as I enter one. We'll toggle that back off. You also do have the option to show it as a tooltip as well. If I continue here in the navigation area, we have a number of new options. These are pretty exciting. The first one are tabs. You can have a number of tabs across the top of the workspace, and each one functions as its own separate dashboard. To add them, just click Add Tab, and it adds it to this list. You also have the ability to reposition, center, right justify, so you can really adjust. You've also got the option to upload a logo, which you can resize with this slider. And you've even got the ability to action buttons, and action buttons can open external links, and you can select whether you want it in the same or a new tab. You can color the button, you can label it, and specify your URL. The footer is an entirely new component, and I'll scroll down here to the bottom of the page so that you can see. We have a number of things that you can add to make this dashboard look more like a website. So you can pick between a simple or a more advanced layout. Advanced layout just giving you options for additional columns of information. You can again upload a logo, which can be sized. You can add links, as you see here, as well as social network icons, and you have a whole variety to select from. Pick the ones that are most relevant to your audience and just enter the URL. You can also specify a tagline that shows up down at the bottom, and even a secondary footer for things like copyright notices. Finally, let me show you the style options. We now have the ability to either have what we call standard mode, which is what you generally see or have seen up until this point in dashboards. You can also have it automatically adjust or orient itself for a more compact view if you have a lot of mobile users or just limited screen real estate. You can also select from either the default white background, a neutral kind of gray background, or select from a variety of colors to give your dashboard elements a little bit of pop. When you're done, just save your changes and they apply immediately to your dashboard. I'll toggle us out of edit mode and you can see the results, as well as a preview of a number of the other widgets that we're announcing this week. I hope you tune in for the webinar and look forward to seeing what you build with the new dashboard capabilities. Thanks, everyone.